Great activity to do even as a solo traveler. Did the full day course and learned, and ate, 4 dishes and dessert. Absolutely fun and delicious. The instructor is kind and helpful. The place is clean, organized and tidied up after every dish you make. The place itself is quite beautiful and homey. The ingredients are fresh. And we got a tour around the garden to look at the ingredients we will be using before we start. Water is free. Apron is returned. Has fans underneath cooking area. Free photography that has free photo download after class. Free online cooking book of the dishes up made post class via QR code. Overall, I really enjoyed this cooking class. Really awesome time. Our instructor was amazing with great energy. She showed us around the garden and saw all of the fresh ingredients they grow. The venue itself is beautiful and the food we made was so tasty. Very fun and helpful. Got picked up right in front of our stay. Got introduced to the local market and was able to know various Thai ingredients. Pinoy is very helpful as we get cooking our dishes. Highly recommend this activity. We had a blast. The place itself is wonderful with all the greeneries. Being there is refreshing for a starter. It was our first time to attend a cooking class and we found this experience something to share and refer to our friends at home. One of my favorite experiences in our Chiang Mai trip. The place was so nice and the teacher/guide was very helpful every step of the way. Really fun activity to do with a group of friends or family. Would highly recommend. The half-day cooking class made me yearn for the full day one. The day started with visiting the market and introduction to the fresh produce, sauces, pastes etc. It was extremely useful and time was given to buy stuff, not mandatory. The place for cooking is quite big with farms. They show us around the farm for the local produce and to collect fresh eggs for cooking. The classes itself are top-notch, one of the best experiences. For the half day, the dessert making is not included but they do give it to us for eating.